once you have hired the sales force, you need to socialize your salespeople together with the other salespeople. So socialization means the orientation here. So the refers to the introduction of recruit to the company practices, procedures, philosophy. It also socialize the aspects of social aspects of the job. Who is there? Who will be their bosses? Who will be their subordinates? Who will be their co-workers? Who are the other department heads? Where are the uh, who are the co-workers? What are their relationships? Where they're gonna get the coffee? What are the tea times? What are the breaks? How the claims will be claimed. There are a lot of things. When a salesperson is new, they are having questions on a lot of things, especially which is related to their job. How they will get a price approval, how will they get where they will get the advance, how they need to claim the advance from, how long they can spend while they are still using the money, what are the salary days, can they get advance, can they get accommodation, what are the meal rates, what are the daily allowance when they are traveling. So there are a lot of questions that the sales candidate will have when they are arriving at the job. So if we are able to tell all these benefits, so they are gonna have a greater job satisfaction, lower turning around, increased commitment from their self, greater job involvement, and also they have a better understanding of their role in the company. Socialization also contribute to the person orientation fit, and the person orientation fit is will include higher job satisfaction, lower stress, and lower likelihood of turnover. So there are two type of socialization. One is initial socialization, where it begins with the recruiting, selection, and then initial orientation of the firm procedure and policies. And the second would be the extended one, where we make the salespeople feel they are integral part of the company by training them on the culture of the company, the bond values of the company, the groups, the other businesses, what are the corporate offices and how we work, what are the ethics, what are the company value, what are the value propositions, what are the moral values of the company. So there are a lot of new information which are different from each company. So the customer satisfaction rules, the brand positioning, those are all different from one hotel to another hotel. The salespeople need to understand these more details so that they can perform their job easily. So the initial socialization will happen at the time of recruitment, when we are sending the sales candidate the literature of the company's philosophy. They can also go through the internet or go to the website of the company to understand about the company, the product, the room size, the event size, and everything else. Then the second, at the time of selection, when they are also exposed to the value and philosophy of the company. And finally, when they are selected, there are usually introductory trainings where they are given the reading literature about the company's history, product, job description, compensation, benefits, employee handbook, rules, sanitization policies, ISO policies, or the fire safety procedures of the company, the fact sheets or the other literature where they can get acquainted with the hotel and also understand the product in more details. The extended socialization usually happens in three types. One is the long-term training, which happens with the standardization of values, behavior norms, philosophy, and also it helps to produce the consistent sales results. So there are long-term training, upsell training, the sales skills training, negotiation training, customer satisfaction trainings, which the company has been providing to the salespeople, all the salespeople. So this is again another socialization. Then you have job rotation. So salespeople usually are rotated between the departments, from corporate to social to the events to the FIT to the marketing department or in the communication department. so they get a better responsibility, better idea, and have better relationship with other departments. The final one is the social corporate social activities. So every company usually have CSR activities or team building activities. So that is again a part of orient socialization of the salespeople, which help them to build a very strong relationship with other departments, with the customers, with the clients, with the community, and they feel proud of it. So but it has to be in a relationship with their acceptance. The companies, the hotels usually are not forcing but encouraging the salespeople to take part in the social responsibility.